Hi everyone, this is the Math 30-1 Trig 2 review. This is question 7b. So we're supposed to just simplify these expressions using the sum and difference identities. This one's a little interesting though. It says if cosecant of theta is equal to x, then find the sine of pi plus theta. Okay, well, first of all, let's deal with what the information this is being that we're being given right here. If the cosecant of theta is equal to x, well, what does that mean? Well, what they're trying to say is they're trying to tell you that, oh, okay, this means that this 1 over the sine of theta is equal to x. Now reciprocate both sides. They're trying to tell, whoops, sorry, not sine of x, sine of theta. That would be quite confusing. What they're trying to say without saying it is that the sine of theta here should be 1 over x. Now let's move on and look at that sum identity here. And I see a pi in there, so I'm assuming this is going to simplify quite nicely in just a couple steps here. So my sum and difference identity would say this. This is going to be equivalent to the sine of pi times the cosine of theta plus, okay, because sine always keeps the same sign there. Cosine changes it, but sine keeps it. The sine of theta times the cosine of pi. Now, the sine of pi, okay, think about the way sine works. Sine is associated with the y-coordinate. And if we're at pi, we're all the way over at the x-axis here. And the y-coordinate here is 0. So the sine of 0 is just going to be, sine of pi is just going to be 0, which means this whole term goes away. The cosine of pi is going to be negative 1. And so this is going to end up being negative sine of theta. But we can go one step further because we know that the sine of theta is equal to 1 over x. And so my answer here must be negative 1 over x.